So good morning all. Again, I welcome you all in this lecture number 54 of DSA. In last lecture, we have started binary search tree, various operations on the binary search tree. I'm going to share my screen with you all. Please let me know if it's visible or not. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
So binary search tree we have started, and we have seen. Even I think we have started operations on binary search tree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have seen. We have started with the searching in binary search tree, and I think we have also covered the iterative and recursive algorithms of searching in binary search tree. Is there any issue till that point? Is there any issue till that point in the operations of binary search tree? Like we have learned about iterative approach, and we have learned about also about the recursive approach for searching an element in a binary search tree. Now we are going to start the insertion in binary search tree. So I have given a small idea about the insertion in binary search tree also in the last class. So binary search tree insertion, first point is that always the new element will be added as a
Leaf node.
leaf node.
Leaf node.
Always we
Leaf
will,
node.
whenever the new node, very good, whenever the new node will be inserted into the binary search tree, it will be at the leaf node. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find out first whether the element is in the binary search tree or not, and if it is already there, then we will not insert it. And suppose it is not there into the binary search tree, then we will insert it after finding its appropriate position in binary search tree. So we will definitely call binary search tree like searching in binary search tree while we are trying to insert the new element in the BST. The main logic is, first of all, find out the appropriate position and then insert the value. If the value is lesser than that particular parent, then it will be onto the left side, otherwise it will be onto the right side. So like in this example, we have seen that if it is a parent node, like we will take we can say two pointers in this case, one is parent and one is PTR. We'll move both simultaneously, parent and PTR, okay, till the PTR is not null, and at that time parent will point to the current leaf node, okay, like it is 5. Now on the basis of the value, which if it is lesser than or the right side greater than, we will insert it either into the left or the right subtree of the parent node. That is what the logic. I think it is clear to all now. Now we are going to write the algorithm for the same. Okay, so this is the algorithm. So that particular structure I am going to use in this. That's why I have added in this down, because कल कुछ confusion हुआ था यहाँ पर. So I think I asked you to write the algorithm. Yes, can anybody tell me what could be the algorithm for this?
First,
Instead of showing the
points to root node.
So we are taking two pointers. One is parent, which will be initially
Root node.
Null.
Null.
One pointer we will take, which will be root.
Null.
Which will be root now. In this case, you can refer this particular diagram now. Okay. So in this, like I have already explained, ki first of all, parent will be null and PTR will point to the root node. Okay. Now what next? What next? What we will check? first of all, we will check the underflow condition, and that underflow condition is if PTR is equals to
PTR equals to null.
null. So in that case, we will write no element,
Insert.
and return. Okay. Else what?
PTR मूव करता हुआ रूट नोड पर नहीं. Create a.
Sir, we will check the condition if there exists the left subtree or
Yeah.
right subtree.
Okay. Now it means ki if PTR is not null, it means there is some elements in the tree. Then we will check starting now whether the element is into the left subtree or into the right subtree. We need to insert where actually. With that subtree I need to identify. So for that, what we will do?
We will compare it with the PTR.
PTR value. We compare
Yes,
it
sir,
with
value.
PTR data.
we compare it with the
PTR data equals to item.
So if PTR data is equals to item, the value that we are going
Return
to insert.
PTR.
If value matches,
PTR.
here we are inserting here, we are not finding the data. Okay. If
PTR
PTR
data-
data,
So we will check if it
Equals
is
to item.
greater or
if
smaller.
PTR, yes. If PTR is less than data,
Then left में मूव करेंगे ना.
PTR equals to PTR left.
Right.
Left.
Right.
Right में होगा सर.
लेफ्ट में छोटे आइटम होते हैं ना.
लेफ्ट होगा सर.
आइटम बड़ा है ना डेटा से.
good. It will be in the left, right, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Why it is in the right?
नहीं सर मुझे ओके नहीं है क्यों.
Yes,
It's
sir.
just it is just a matter of writing
हाँ,
this
sir.
sign only.
हाँ सर
Okay.
आइटम बड़ा है.
Like a value that you are going to insert is greater than the value that is there at that root right now, the node. PTR is pointing to node, like suppose I am going to insert 8. So 8 is greater than 7. तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? Right में, left में?
राइट में.
Right.
Right में जाएगा. So that is what we are writing over there. Like item is 8, by value of PTR at 7. So if 8
अच्छा
is greater
सर
than
आइटम
7,
वो
then-
जो हम इंसर्ट.
So you need to check the condition carefully. Okay, you need to write the conditions carefully. Now what about the parent? Parent को तो हमने change ही नहीं किया. That is what we are moving over there. Okay. What about the parent? Parent कब change होगा?
कंडीशन तो 7.
After checking the condition,
Yes. So in if or else, in which part we will change parent?
sir, we have to do in both.
We have to do in both. Very good. But before this statement or after this statement?
आफ्टर दिस
Sir,
स्टेटमेंट.
After this
After this.
statement.
No.
बिकॉज
Before
पीटीआर
this
पेरेंट एक पीटीआर पेरेंट्स होगा ना उसके बाद
Before.
report आता
क्योंकि
है.
PTR change हो जाएगा. Yes sir.
Yes. So before that we have to change actually. You are getting it? If I
No,
will
sir.
change it after that, so क्या होगा बताइए? खुद सोचिए एक बार क्या होगा. यहाँ लिखा हुआ है आपके सामने. Suppose this is not a statement, and now I am changing. I have changed PTR now. PTR को हमने PTR के right में भेज दिया, और अब मैं parent को change कर रहा हूँ PTR पे. So PTR is at 9 now, and parent भी कहाँ जाएगा? 9 पे आ जाएगा.
9 पे आ जाएगा.
तो मुझे क्या करना है? पहले PTR चेंज करना पड़ेगा, पहले पेरेंट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. So in that case, like before moving to the parent, before moving to the PTR, either to the left or right side, we need to update the parent value. Parent is now pointing to first PTR, and then PTR will be changed. Is it okay? Is it clear? I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
है ना? So that is what we need to take care about that. यदि हम सीक्वेंस चेंज कर देंगे तो हमारा पूरा प्रोग्राम गलत हो जाएगा. दोनों साथ साथ चलते रहेंगे अदरवाइज, है ना? दोनों ही सेम चीज को पॉइंट करने लगेंगे. पेरेंट इज आल्सो पॉइंटिंग टू 9, पीटीआर इज आल्सो पॉइंटिंग टू 9. That is what we are not want. So what we will do now? Next what? Now is this will run only for the one time? No, it will run for the multiple times. तो कितनी बार रन होगा, क्या कंडीशन होगी?
जब तक पीटीआर
Till
न
PTR is not null.
null.
PTR is not-
PTR is not null. So ये सब एक उसमें आ जाएगा ब्रैकेट में जो हमने while loop में लगा दिया है. Okay, now what we will do? Very good. अब तक हमने बहुत बिल्कुल अच्छी एल्गोरिथम लिखी है. Now what next? What we need to do now? Now I am reached at that point where parent is 5 and PTR is null. Is it okay now? After having
Okay,
this इस particular loop के बाद, as soon as PTR null, so PTR null, it means कि PTR is onto the left of that, and parent is at 5 now. Suppose I am going to insert 3. So parent is at 5 and PTR is null. Now what we need to do now?
So
Is
we
done.
will see if item is less than parent, then we'll
Very
place
good.
it on the left hand side or else on the right hand side.
Very good. But before that, what we need to do? One more thing we need to do. We need to create one more node for that. We need to create a new node. Create a new node for inserting the new element. Yes or no?
So
Yes,
we will
sir.
do that in starting now.
That you can done in starting also, no issue in that. But if we have not done, then we have to do it over there also. So new data is equals to item,
in
or what else we need to do? New left is equals to null, and new right will be also
Null.
why?
No, sir. It will
Because
be
there
like
is no such element after that.
Or anyone else wants to say anything? Why we are putting left
It is
and right
the
as
leaf
null?
node.
Yes, it
Sir,
is a
because
leaf.
it is a node.
Very good. We have initially we have seen that if the new value we are going to insert should be a leaf node. So as a leaf node, it should be at the left. Left भी null होगा और right भी null होगा. दोनों ही null होंगे. Is it okay now?
okay sir.
So क्या इशू हुआ इसमें? अब हमने क्या किया? अब जो अभी दिव्यांजलि बोल रहे थे वो हम करने वाले हैं. What we will do now?
अब सर हम रूट 3 के दूसरे लेफ्ट साइड में नहीं जाएंगे.
Now if item is less than parent data, sorry. So what we will do? Now we will check ना कि whether this node is onto the left of the parent or right on the parent. ये हमें check करना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? 3 is onto the left आना चाहिए या right आना चाहिए? ये कैसे check होगा? New node तो बना दिया 3. अब linking करना बाकी है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Linking is required. So for linking, I need to identify whether it will be the left child or to the right child of the particular parent node. For that, what I need to do? I need to check the value and compare it. If it is lesser than that, then it will be
On the left hand side.
left.
Left,
So
the left.
parent left is equals to new.
item.
New node we have created. That's it. Else
Parent
Parent
right
equals to new.
Right.
Right equals to new.
parent right is equals to new. That's it. Over. Algorithm is over. So क्या हमने इसको याद किया?
नहीं तो इमेज से बनाया.
Please, I always repeat this particular line after writing an algorithm. कि क्या हमने इसको याद किया? Why I am repeating this line dear all? So that you will also try to write on your own. You need not to write the algorithms by copy and paste. I saw many of the experiments of your labs जो आप submit कर रहे हैं. I just find कि you all are copying and paste. That's it. No one is trying. Only instead of 2 or 3 persons only in the class, all are copying and pasting the codes. So this is the code now. This is not an algorithm actually. This is a code, simple code you can directly use in the program also. So why you are not writing the program on your own? Otherwise आप लिख ही नहीं पाओगे कभी program अपने आप से. Is it okay? So please try to write the code on your own. अपने आप लिखने की कोशिश करें. 2-4 लोग ही लिख पा रहे हैं. Plus same. I was asking कि आप लोग output भी put करें लेकिन output भी आप नहीं लिखते हैं. बस कॉपी पेस्ट करते हैं कहीं ना कहीं से चुरा के और वो दैट्स इट हो गया.
नहीं सर चोरी चकारी ना करो.
इसके किसी ने एक ने किया उससे मांगा और दैट्स कॉपी पेस्ट. So now this is the code that I have already written over there. Okay, we have begun with this ptr equals to root parent null. Initially we are repeating these steps till ptr is not null. Okay, same code is there. We have created a new node, then last minute condition check key. So this is what the algorithm is. Is it okay now? Any doubt in this case? Yes.
So one more condition should be there in the while part. If ptr data is equals to item, then we have to return.
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
No,
वापस बोलिए एक बार क्या बोल
Sir,
रहे हैं?
if
Data equals
ptr
to
ka
item.
data is equals to the item, means if we are repeating the same item again, so then we'll have to return it.
Yes, definitely we have to return.
And sir,
Definitely we have to return. So for that, what we can do here is we can put one more condition
If
over
condition.
there. If ptr data is equals to item return, or we can simply write element
Already exists.
and return. Return तो लिख ही दिया पहले. ये लाइन आप वहाँ लिख सकते हैं. नो इशू.
सर हमको दोनों एलिमेंट्स दोनों आइटम एक साथ दोनों आइटम एक जैसे इंसर्ट करने हो तो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है
नहीं अभी हम नहीं कर रहे इंसर्ट. हाँ, और यदि आपको करने हो तो आप क्या करेंगे बताइए. तो वो उसके लेफ्ट में भी जा सकता है, वो उसके राइट में भी जा सकता है. तो यू कैन चूज एनी वन ऑफ दैट. तो यदि वो करना है तो इसको आप कमेंट बना दो और यू कैन मेक इट इक्वल्स टू साइन इन आइदर ऑफ दिस वन. दैट्स इट. इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. If you want to insert duplicate elements, then there is no need of this line. You are getting it? Everyone is getting it?
Yes, sir.
If you are inserting duplicate elements, then it could be either into the left child or right subtree or into the right subtree. So we can simply put equals to sign either this or else में automatically वो हो रहा था actually. Done? Any doubt
Done,
now?
sir. No, sir. No doubt.
So I can paste this line over there also. Copy and paste. So 5, 6 and 7 यहाँ चेंज हो जाएगा. Repeat 5, 6, 7. 5 को मैंने कमेंट बना दिया है. क्या इसका कलर चेंज कर देता हूं ताकि यू लाइक आपको ध्यान रहे कि क्या है. Is it okay now? Done? Or like look at that. I have also changed the position of these particular steps. You can initially also create the node. That is no problem. We have created the node initially and we have put the value. We have made the left and right nulls, and then simply when we have reached at the end, then my task was only to connect that node with the parent node. That's it. That could be done in the initial also. Is it okay?
It is okay, sir.
So now this is insertion. So insertion is clear to all now. Now I am moving on to the deletion part. Okay, deletion in binary search tree. So deletion, just look at that particular example. How many different kinds of the nodes are there in this? Just tell me.
3.
3.
Who says 3?
Sir Anshul.
अंशुल 3 बोला है. और 2 किसने बोला? 2
मैंने सर.
बताइए. You just tell me how many like how the 2 types of the nodes are there. Which 2 types we are talking about? Tell me fast.
सर एक तो लेफ्ट नोड है, एक राइट नोड है. नहीं, एक तो रूट नोड है और एक चाइल्ड नोड है.
Okay, Anshul, tell me how you has You said that 3 nodes are there. 3 types of the nodes are
Sir,
there.
sir, because leaf node, sir, first is the leaf node which has no child,
Very good.
and sir, second is like 9, it has one child,
Very good.
and sir, third it is like 2, it has two child.
Very good. So binary search tree में how many maximum childs could be there?
2.
Because it is a binary tree. So binary tree में 2 childs हो सकते हैं maximum. So it could be either 0, 1 or 2 childs. So based on that we have 3 particular like types of nodes in my binary search tree, and on the basis of that there are 3 conditions of deletions. This is very important, deletion in binary search tree, because ये कई बार पूछा जाता है. So based on that 3 conditions are there. First case is the node to be deleted is a leaf node. It means it has no child. So यदि मैं ऐसी node delete कर रहा हूँ जो कि leaf node है, so that is first case. Second case is when the node to be deleted as like having one child, it means degree 1. So whether it is a right child or left child doesn't matter at all, because the logic will remain same. But the deletion of a node which has one child is the second case, and third case will be a deletion of the node which has 2 childs. So is it okay now? All the 3 cases have different logics to delete the values. Okay, now you just tell me, if you are going to delete a node with 0 child, whether it could be 1, it could be 5, it could be 14. So क्या करना होगा आपको बताइए?
So we need to delete it simply, means nothing we have to do.
Very good. So in that case, we need not to do anything. Suppose I am going to delete the 1 or 5 or 9. So simply what I need to do is I need to make the particular pointer of its parent node null. That's it. जैसे हम यदि लास्ट नोड डिलीट करते थे लिंक लिस्ट में, तो हम क्या करते थे, हम सेकंड लास्ट
नोड के एड्रेस पार्ट को नल कर देते थे.
वेरी गुड. सो सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी हम उसके पेरेंट नोड के करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट को नल कर देंगे. सपोज नोड 1 is to be deleted, so which pointer of 2 will null, left or right?
Left.
If 5 is to be deleted, then which pointer
Right.
of 2? Right pointer. That's it. That is what you need to do only. Okay. Now tell me, the case of 9, say, which has only one child, that is 14. So suppose you are supposed to delete 9. So what you will do now?
So we
So we will
modify
link
the connection of
7
7 with 14.
7 with 14 we will link.
Yes. So ultimately क्या होने वाला है यहाँ पर? 7 will 14 will be the child of 7 now. And which child it will be? It will be left
Right.
child or right child?
Yeah, it
Right.
will be at the second level. Right child of the 7 at first level.
Very good. The right child of the 7, and it will be at the first level. ये line बहुत अच्छी बोली इन्होंने. Because it will become a child of the 7 now. So 14 will be at the level number 1 now. 0, 1. Level number 0, level number 1. So you are saying second level, it means one level number 1. So लेवल भी चेंज होगा, ये भी ध्यान रखिएगा. इन डायग्राम इफ यू से ओके, लॉजिक में तो अपने आप चेंज हो जाएगा, प्रोग्राम में यू नीड नॉट टू मेंटेन द लेवल्स, बट इन डायग्राम यू नीड टू मेंटेन द लेवल्स आल्सो. सो व्हेन यू विल रीड्रॉ द पर्टिकुलर ट्री, देन 14 will appear over there, not 14 will not remains as on its own location. Okay, तो ये चीज भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो नाउ 9, सपोज अब हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि 9 के बाद यहाँ होता से 8, only 8 is there, say. Okay, so let me copy this over there so that I can relate it and you will remember it also. So now 14, as I have told you, key 7. Okay, now 9 suppose has a child, that is 8. Is it a binary search tree?
Yes sir.
And suppose
Yes,
that 14 is not there. For a time being, you suppose that 14 is not there. So 9 has only one child, that is 8, onto the left side. Now, what will be the position of 8 as a child of 7? Is it left or right?
So it will be
Right.
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 only.
It will be right only. Very good. So the देखो आपने यहाँ ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि whether the child is onto the left or onto the right. It does not matter. It only matters on the position of the node to be deleted. Suppose I am going to delete and it is represented by x. So if x is a right child of 7, so उसका कोई भी child होगा वो उसका right child ही बनेगा. Yes or no?
Yes,
I am
sir.
repeating the same.
It will replace its parent's position.
It will replace his parent position. That's it. In simple words, we can say it will replace its parent's position. If the parent is onto the left side of the parent to parent node, then the child will also be the left side onto the left side. If the parent is onto the right side, then child will be onto the right side only. Child कोई भी हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Child चाहे left child हो चाहे right child हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इससे. Is it okay now?
सर एक बार दोबारा पहले आपने कहा था जो आप रिपीट कर रहे थे उसको कहना सर.
Parent like 8 और 14 चाहे like 8 चाहे उसका लेफ्ट चाइल्ड है और 14 चाहे उसका राइट चाइल्ड है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. दोनों 7 के कौन से चाइल्ड बनने वाले हैं? राइट चाइल्ड है ना. सो इट ओनली मैटर्स द पोजीशन ऑफ दिस नोड टू बी डिलीटेड. सपोज x टू बी डिलीटेड तो उसकी पोजीशन पर मैटर करेगा, इसकी चाइल्ड्स की पोजीशन पर मैटर नहीं करेगा. ओके ये हम कहना चाह रहे थे. सो केस 1 इज नाउ वी विल इलैबोरेट इट. द नोड टू बी डिलीटेड इज द लीफ नोड और हैव नो चाइल्ड. In such a case, simply delete the node from the tree by replacing the location of the node in the parent node by null pointer. जैसा हमने यहाँ देखा था, if the child is of 1, which is has no child, so we will make the left of this will null, okay, and in the case of 5, we will make the right by null. So हम क्या replace कर रहे हैं? Replacing the location of 5 by null, replacing the location of 1 by null, and so on. And same if the node will be having one child, whether it is the left or the right child, what we will do, we will replace that node with its child node and remove the child node from the original position. Is it okay now? We will replace 8 by 9 and we will remove this after replacing. Is it done? And the complex case is the third one now. The node which had to be deleted has 2 child, like the case 2 here. The node 2 needs to be deleted, suppose. So what we will do now? You might have read this particular statements that we need to follow. Get the in-order successor of that node. Now replace the node with the in-order successor and remove the in-order successor from the original position. What do you mean by in-order successor first of all in this case?
सर इट मीन सर जैसे 2 का लेफ्ट नोड 1 है तो उसी के लेफ्ट में 7 का आ जाएगा, 7 से पेयर हो जाएगा.
तो 7 का लेफ्ट चाइल्ड विल बी 1 नाउ.
हाँ
वेरी गुड.
एंड
okay. और now what do you mean by in order successor? What do you mean by in order successor? First try to reply this. You have said rightly, जो आपने करना है वो बिल्कुल सही बोला है, लेकिन आई वॉन्ट टू क्लियर द पॉइंट दैट सॉरी दैट इज इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर. व्हाट इज इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर? इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर क्या होता है बताएं. अच्छा इन ऑर्डर यू नो व्हाट इज इन ऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल?
यस सर.
सो इस ट्री का इन ऑर्डर निकालिए, इस ट्री का इन ऑर्डर निकालिए.
So it will be 1, 5, 2, 14, 9, 7.
It will be
1, 5, 2.
In order. In order means
1, 2, 5.
Left node and right. It is
1,
2 and 5.
5.
then
9, 14, 7.
7.
9.
Is it okay? Is it
सर
okay?
8 आएगा ना, 8 आएगा 9 से पहले. 8, 9, 14. 7, 8, 9, 14. हाँ 8 तो है नहीं. सही है सर.
अच्छा किसी भी बाइनरी सर्च ट्री का इन ऑर्डर क्या होता है हमेशा बताइए.
So it
Left,
will
root,
be
right.
sorted in ascending order.
Right.
Left,
Sort.
left node, root or right.
So very good. So sorted sequence होगी. So you just need to write the sorted sequence of this particular tree. That's it. In an order traversal. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 14. It is an in order successor, and sorry, it is an in order traversal, and it is also a sorted sequence of in ascending order. Now tell me, what is the in order successor of 2 in this?
सर वन
In
सर स्मॉलर
Five.
वैल्यू होगी वो
1
इन
and
ऑर्डर
5.
सक्सेसर होगी सर.
5.
successor, हम
One.
successor
Successor will be 5, sir.
successor की बात कर रहे हैं हम.
5.
1 and 5.
It will be 5, sir, only. Procedure
Yes,
is
sir.
1.
5.
It will be 5 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is it okay?
sir.
Is it clear? Or one is what? What is one? Like suppose आप
1 is
बोलेंगे
procedure, sir.
one is processor. Okay. So what you will do now? Tell me what you will do now. Which node will be replaced?
We
Sir, 5.
5 will be replaced with 2.
Why?
no.
Sir,
Both
5
2
will be replaced by 2.
5.
2 will be replaced by 5, sir.
Very good.
5
2
will
will be
be by
2 will be replaced by 5 because it is a in order successor of 2. अब देखो in order successor क्या होता है? In order successor आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. We need to find the first of all in order traversal of that particular binary search tree, and then we need to take the node which is like just after that particular node 2 जो delete करनी है हमें. Like in this case it is 2. So after 2 it is 5. So we will take 5, we will replace 2 by 5, and then we will remove 5 from the original tree. Now definitely 5 will be following either the case 1 or case 2. आपको ये चीज ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी. 5 may be a leaf node or 5 may be a node with one child only. ये तो डेफिनेटली होना ही है. इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर तभी आएगा उसका. वो मैं और भी एग्जांपल लूंगा अभी आपके सामने, है ना. सो इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर विल ऑलवेज बी. अच्छा एक चीज और देखेंगे हम, यदि हम ट्रैवर्सल नहीं करते हैं तो कैसे निकालेंगे इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर. इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर विल ऑलवेज बी द लेफ्ट मोस्ट चाइल्ड ऑफ द राइट सब ट्री. लेट मी राइट ओवर देयर. In order successor will always be in order successor leftmost child of right subtree. ये आपको और ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी एक चीज, मतलब इससे आपको और थोड़ा क्लियर हो सकता है. आपका जो भी दिस प्री नोड का यू नीड टू फाइंड द इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू जस्ट track the right subtree of that node and pick the leftmost child of that right subtree.
So it will be left or right?
No, it will be leftmost child of the right subtree. Like in this case 2 is there, so 2 का right subtree is 5. There is a single node that is for sure it will be the leftmost child. Okay, अभी हम और example लेते हैं. I am coming on to the example now. Then you will be, I think, more clear about that. So that is the case number 1. When we have a node that is 4, we need to delete the node 4. So what we will do now?
So we will
So we'll
traverse.
just eliminate the connection
We just eliminate the
between 4 and
connection.
6.
Okay, how you will eliminate it?
First of
So
all, sir,
by
we will-
keeping left of 6 as null.
Yes, by making the left of 6 as null. By replacing the address of 4 by null in the left pointer of 6. Technically आपको ये बोलना पड़ेगा वहां पर. हम ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे, है ना, 4 और 6 की हम लिंक को ब्रेक करें. That is very good, but इसका technically part क्या है वो ये है. So how we will write the algorithm for this? इसकी algorithm लिखी हुई है आपके सामने. बट मैं चाहूंगा कि आप खुद लिखें. लाइक सपोज
सर
एक
एक बात पूछ सकता हूँ?
यस.
सर इस आपने किसी लेक्चर में कहा था कि लिंक्ड बाइनरी ट्री, तो इसमें हम लिंक लिस्ट की तरह ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते, जैसे पीटीआर को मूव करते हुए 4 6 पर ले आए और इसका जो भी लेफ्ट चाइल्ड को हटाना हो, राइट चाइल्ड को हटाना हो, उस पार्ट को नल कर दो.
वही तो कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ये अभी हमने जो आज एल्गोरिथम लिखी है वो क्या लिखी है बेटा? पीटीआर को कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था? रूट से स्टार्ट किया था और कहाँ तक गए थे? नल तक गए थे.
ये तो इंसर्शन का है सर.
हाँ तो यही तो कह रहा हूँ मैं. ये भी यही तो, ये यहाँ पर भी यही तो किया है हमने, और अभी डिलीशन में भी यही करेंगे हम अभी. नाउ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट द होल एल्गोरिथम अगेन अगेन. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि आई एम एट एक्स नाउ. आपको लिखनी पड़ेगी पूरी एल्गोरिथम यदि आप लिखना चाहें तो. आप जब प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे तो डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वेयर. आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे बताओ?
रूट.
रूट से स्टार्ट करोगे. whenever you are trying to write the full program for deletion, what you will do, that is only a part of the logic that you need to write. इसके आगे पीछे बहुत कुछ करना होगा. वो क्या होगा बताइए? अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है उन्होंने, अच्छा रेज किया ताकि मैं भी बोल पा रहा हूँ. So what, like suppose you don't have anything right now, you need to delete 4. From where you will start?
रूट से ट्रेवर्स
From the
करेंगे
root.
ना?
From root you need to start. And how
Yes,
you will
sir.
start? How many pointers you will take?
Sir, we will take one pointer only.
You can take one pointer only. Then like suppose PTR is at 8, we are starting with the one pointer, and suppose PTR is at 8. Initially PTR is that point. Okay, so now what next? बताएं, what next?
3
PTR is PTR अभी यहाँ पर है. PTR यहाँ पर आएगा, फिर PTR इस पर आएगा, because I need to delete 4. So PTR यहाँ आएगा, फिर PTR यहाँ आएगा. Now what?
Sir, we need to tag parent also.
No, can
Yes,
we
sir.
not
Otherwise,
do?
we will lost the root.
Can we
Mhm.
not delete? Can we not do that with the single pointer PTR?
Sir, it is possible like if we make if we using dynamic memory allocation, then we can delete 4 dynamically, mean delete.
3 पीटीआर कर देंगे.
Or we have
We
to
can-
update, means we need 6, we need an address of 6, sir.
Yes, we can stop at that point also. If once we find that it's 4 is the child of that, so in that case what we need to do, like हम यहाँ पर जो कंडीशन लगाएंगे वही होगा कि PTR का लेफ्ट इज इक्वल्स टू आइटम और PTR का राइट इज इक्वल्स टू आइटम. वाइल में ये कंडीशन लग जाएगी. 2 कंडीशन लगेंगी वाइल में. We can do it one pointer with the one pointer also, or you can take 2 pointers. It doesn't
Can you repeat the condition?
हाँ. Hello.
Yes, sir. Can
Yes,
you repeat
sir.
the condition of while, sir?
Sorry, please like थोड़ा सा माइक दूर रख के बोलो बेटा.
वाइल का जो कंडीशन अभी आपने बताया उसको रिपीट करने का कह रहे हैं.
In this case, suppose I am taking only one pointer PTR. Okay, in that case, what we will write in the right while condition, we need to check कि 4 अब जो pointer है उसका child है या नहीं. So what conditions you will write in while? आप बताओ मुझे. चलो. Now you need to check whether 4 is a child of 6 or not.
Sir, while parent of left is not null.
While PTR is left is equals to that
Is
item
not null.
4. Not
Yeah.
null, nahi, that item 4. 4. While PTR left
PTR
is not
Left is
equals to item, or PTR right is not equals to item. Because आपको थोड़ी पता है कि वो लेफ्ट में होगा या राइट में होगा. Yes or no? So both condition we will check in that case.
Yes, sir.
Means sir, the element we need to delete, if we compare it with that, then we can means say that it will be of in left side or right side.
Definitely.
Then sir, we do not need to check left part and right part both. Means we can eliminate one part.
We will eliminate one part only. Now, like in this case, PTR is at 6 now, and we are checking PTR left is equals to item. ये condition true हो गई. So we will come out of the loop now, and now we will make PTR left as null. That's it. और अब now यदि suppose 2 pointer लेते हैं आप, parent and PTR. सो पीटीआर यहाँ होगा और पेरेंट यहाँ होगा। तो बहुत ही इजी है। इफ पीटीआर का डाटा इज इक्वल्स टू पर्टिकुलर आइटम, देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू चेक नाउ
Free PTR.
फ्री पीटीआर तो लास्ट में होगा, उससे पहले क्या होगा, वी नीड टू चेक वेदर पीटीआर इज एट द लेफ्ट ऑफ पेरेंट or onto the right of parent, and on the basis of that we will make the particular pointer as null. Like in this algorithm I have done actually. Okay, begin. If x left is null and x right is null, now what I am supposing over there is that x is the node to be deleted. यहाँ पर मैंने क्या suppose किया है, I have supposed that x is the value which is to be deleted. Is it okay? So if x left is null, like in this case ptr left is null and ptr right both is null, then I am checking if parent right is equals to x. Like अब x यदि parent के right में है तो मुझे क्या null करना है, parent का right null करना है, और otherwise मुझे parent का left null करना है, and then finally free of node x. That's it. Done. Is it okay?
ओके सर।
So आपको अल्टीमेटली बच्चे करना तो पूरा ही पड़ेगा। You have to start from the root node. Okay, you have to start in the case of insertion also, in the case of deletion also. That algorithm I have written only like the particular logic that you have to implement. आपको उस नोड तक पहुंचने के लिए खुद लॉजिक लगाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, वो मैं ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ in this insertion case. That's why I have not repeated in that part. Is it okay now?
Okay sir, I will.
Yes sir.
Because same logic we will apply over there ना, बस थोड़ा सा कंडीशन चेंज होंगी, एक दो कंडीशंस वो आप अपने अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करो। Is it okay? So that is the first case in which the node has no child, and that particular condition is being mentioned by this particular statement number 2. If both of the childs are null of that x, that is to be deleted. Now this one is the case 2. Deletion in the BST. Yes.
Sir, in the previous case, if we have 2, 4,
Yeah,
4
yes.
is repeated again, then which one to delete? The first which is encountered before.
No, we are deleting that node which is at the leaf node, because we have mentioned the condition that x left is null and right is null both. हमने वहाँ condition लगा दी है. We are going to delete that 4 which has both left and right as null. In step number 2, you see the condition.
Sir, but to reach 4, we'll make one more condition, na? कि ताकि pointer will reach at the leaf node. So in that condition, if we check if the PTR is equals to item, then
Why you are taking that particular condition?
sir, to reach at the last.
To reach at that node x.
Huh.
Instead of that, you can write this condition, na? If x, both the childs are null. आप उसकी जगह ये कंडीशन तो लगा सकते हैं, दोनों चाइल्ड नल हो तो। देखो स्टार्टिंग से देखो वापस एक बार, यदि आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो पीटीआर 8 पर है, सो क्या इसके दोनों चाइल्ड नल हैं?
No, sir.
नहीं तो।
3 के दोनों चाइल्ड नल हैं?
नहीं तो।
6 के दोनों चाइल्ड नल हैं?
नहीं।
और 4 के दोनों चाइल्ड नल हैं। तो instead of comparing that particular like 4, you can make this condition also, or you can club the conditions also. आप 4 को भी इसमें क्लब कर दो condition. If the item is equals to 4 or x left null and x right null both, तो जो आपकी जो कंडीशन है वो दोनों इसमें आ गई है। 2 4 होंगे तो इसमें दोनों चीजें चेक हो जाएंगी। यदि 4 है और वो 4 जिसके दोनों ही नल है, वो तो एक ही होगा पूरी ट्री में, वो तो दो नहीं हो सकते।
Yes, sir. And condition लगा के फिर
हाँ, आप दोनों कंडीशंस को क्लब कर दो। The condition you are saying that PTR data is equals to item, and that condition which I have written x left null and right null, you can club these two conditions, and then you can go for that for duplicate values. Good. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
It is okay, sir. Sir, एक hypothetical ये question है sir.
कि हम रूट में जो एलिमेंट है उसको ही नल कर दे तो, उसको ही डिलीट कर दे तो
कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द केस नंबर 3. यू कैन डू इट इफ द नोड हैज 2 चाइल्ड. 7 को डिलीट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर हम लोग. 7 का इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर क्या होगा?
9.
9 will be replaced. Definitely 9 will be replaced by, sorry, 7 will be replaced by 9 in that case.
अच्छा, 9 रूट नोड बन जाएगा.
9 रूट नोड हो जाएगा, 14 उसका राइट नोड हो जाएगा, रेस्ट 2 जो है वो उसका लेफ्ट नोड हो जाएगा, बाकी 3 एज इट इज रहेगा. होगा नोट रूट नोड डिलीट.
ओके सर.
Is it okay now?
It is okay sir.
So deletion in BSc second case. Now I think I need to stop over there because I have to take the another class also.
Sir?
Yes, I have a next class in your section also. So should I take a break?
Sir?
Yes, you ask your question first.
Sir, before performing any function, do we need to check whether it is a binary search tree or not?
No need to check it because right now we are studying only about the binary tree. That's it.
Okay, sir.
We are not writing the algorithms for the tree which is not a binary actually. हम binary tree के लिए ही लिख रहे हैं सब कुछ. We have already assumed that we have only maximum 2 childs of any of the node. Algorithms will definitely change if you are changing the tree. Is it okay now? So actually I am going to stop now. So in next class we will learn about the rest of the cases of the deletion, that is case number 2 and case number 3, and also we will start some another tree, that is AVL tree. Okay, another very interesting tree that is in your syllabus. So for now it is okay. I am stopping now and I am taking attendance first.
Sir,
Till now, if
take some rest of 10 minutes.
I have taken an attendance and now you can all leave the class.
lecture आपका क्लास है ना अभी तो?
Yes.
तो अभी तो इसी में रहना ना.